Hello! Welcome back to my fashion corner, where we are spending Vlogmas by playing with makeup palettes that we bought literal years ago and really did not put to good use. So that's what we're doing during this Vlogmas, and if you want to join in on the festivities, welcome, welcome. And if you want to just laugh at my non-existent makeup skills, welcome, welcome. I know, the audio, we're working on it. I've got an entire team of Lindas on it. It's gonna be sorted. But until then, we'll have to figure out a way how to deal with some old school audio. It's Sunday. I've been having a very slow day and got the urge to play with some glitter. So today we're going into this glittery palette. I really want to touch these, definitely want to get into these. We'll see how that comes about. Also, because I'm not going anywhere or doing anything significant, I'm not going to be doing like concealer and whatever. I'm just going to do the eyes today, so I don't really think there's going to be an excuse for the overall look, but just in case you were wondering, we're keeping it real simple today. Starting with eye primer. Also, I have to do my nails for work. We're gonna come back to that primer in a bit. Hair out of my face. We're grabbing a fluffy blending brush and we are going to start with this shade called Lace. We're gonna use that as a transition. I'm using that like that's a good mirror with that plasticky sticker on it. Alright. I'm gonna use this shade called Tease, which is a great name for a shade. Actually, I'm gonna use a slightly thinner so that I can get like into that crease. What happened to Coldplay? Like 24 years ago, Parachutes, what a banging album, and then it went downhill. Do you know what I mean? I texted like 5 people with that thought. And we all went, oh, I know. Same shadow, still Tease. Gonna darken the outer corner. I'm gonna grab a smudge brush and I'm going to take this shade Tease and I'm a little bit of Spanked, and I'm gonna combine them and use them for my lower lash line. Tease, Spanked, Tease, Spanked. I'm just gonna make sure that it's all blended here in the outer corner. I'm gonna buff out the pink slightly higher, or the purple. Okay, and now I'm gonna go with putty primer here. I mean, ideally I'd have a brush. I feel like it's like not symmetrical, but they can sit next to each other. Not like we have choices. Okay, and I'm gonna grab tapered brush and go into Excite, and I'm gonna pack that into that primer. And now back to smudge brush, and I'm gonna use this fantasy shade. And now I'm gonna try soften it a little and bring it all the way up here. I'm gonna add a little bit of that fantasy. Same here. Adding a little bit of that fantasy. I'm gonna use my pink highlighter to soften the lower lid. The only thing I want to do is grab a little bit of the bear and just go right under the brow bone. And same here. I feel like I sparkle a lot, so we're gonna use a little bit of that Fenty Pro filter in butter, kabuki brush. Mascara. This would really look fantastic with a set of like false eyelashes one day. I think that's it. Glitter just makes me so happy. Well, thanks for coming to Playing with Glitter. That makes Vlogmas day 15. 15 days of playing with palettes that we've already had at home is quite an achievement. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you for day 16 tomorrow. Bye!